decided to go for parent and child because it was the minimum time. I didn't know, obviously, in the beginning how I was going to take to it, and I would never put anyone out if it was from, say, for 12 weeks. Having spoken to the social worker, they said the minimum would be 12 weeks, the maximum 18 weeks. I decided that if it wasn't something that I wanted to do then, after that 18 weeks, I would either give it up or go back to fostering children. It's a challenge really for myself, because you look back and you remember your own children and you think, oh, this is what I used to do for my child. Like when when the child is in the high chair, you look and they start making noises and you think the next step is crawling, then they're walking, and it brings back lots of memories. But it's a wonderful experience. My role in helping the parent is to make sure that she is looking after the child in an appropriate way. For example, in the making sure that he has 4 meals a day, making sure that the bottles are sterilised, making sure that she's changing him on a regular basis, making sure that she understands different types of cries, whether it's a cry for food or sleeping, or if there was something like a piercing noise if there was something wrong with him. For anyone who's thinking of doing a mother and child placement, it's a wonderful achievement. You feel you've achieved something, you've helped someone. That's what it's about really, it's helping somebody to set up a home of their own with their family, which is, to me personally, it's a marvellous thing to be doing. I absolutely love it, and I hope that I'll be having many more in the future.